Hello friends, welcome back to dreamdegreeabroad.com. In today's video, I will guide you how to apply for King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals in Saudi Arabia. This is a fully funded scholarship. You can apply for master's, PhD, and you can also apply for direct PhD after your bachelor program. So the deadline for this scholarship is 10 January 2026. You have to apply before this deadline. Let's talk about the application process. To start, please visit the official website cgis.kfupm.education.sa. Once you are at home page, click on the apply button to apply. So there are three steps: program selection, application, and then submission. First step is program selection. Here you have to select your degree type and scholarship type. Select your degree. I have chosen Master of Science. Scholarship, if you are from Pakistan, then choose International Scholarship. And then move to the next, save and continue. The next is major selection. Select your major program and then concentration and click on save and continue. Now comes application process. First is personal information. You have to enter your personal information here. Enter your first name, your last name, enter your genders, your birthday, blood type, then nationality, country of birth, native language. If your native language is not present, then you can choose other. Next, identification type, identification number, ID date of issue, ID date of expiry, your email, your mobile number, enter your address, city, and then region. Enter your country's postal code, country of residence, and then click on save and continue. Remember, all questions with red star are mandatory. Next step is education history. Enter your previous institution name and enter your other institution name. Next, enter your country, city. Then enter your GPA scale, your CGPA. Next is degree type, your major selection, degree duration, and degree completion year. So next is work experience. So you have to enter your work experience here. If you do not have any work experience, so you can skip this section because it is not compulsory. Now move to the next. Now comes referral. Here you have to enter your referral name and referral type and click on save and continue. So next section is of tests. Here you have to enter your English test details, your test type. I have choose IELTS test. You have to attach its file and enter issue date and overall score. Enter your overall score here and click on save and continue. Next section is documents. You have to upload these documents here. You have to attach your CV file, statement of purpose, your identification, your BS transcript. Remember, these all are mandatory. Click on save and continue. Okay, I have not uploaded these files, so an error is occurred. So move to the next step. Next step is optional documents. If you have any of these documents, so you can add here as well. Click on save and continue. Next section is recommenders. You have to upload 2 recommendations to be eligible to apply for Masters of Science. So enter the first recommended details, first name, his last name, and email ID. And then second recommender, first name, last name, and email ID. Remember, do not use the recommender's personal email here. Instead, use the professional email. Then click on save and continue and move to the next. So next portion is submission. Here, after reviewing your application, you can submit here. So the process is simple. In this way, you can apply for this fully funded scholarship. Hope this video will be helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and also visit our website dreamdecreeabroad.com to know about the latest scholarship opportunities around the globe. Thank you.